back to my channel. My name is JoAnn Barrandey. Today, folks, we are going to be doing another taste test of the Dollar Tree finger foods and some of the other frozen food items. And I have my husband here, my Janito, who is going to help me sample everything. We'll let you know if it's good or not, okay? Right?
Right, and we are hungry. Again.
Friends, he loves to eat. He can eat anything. He really doesn't complain, and he doesn't gain any weight. Darn, I don't like that. Okay, the first thing that we are going to try out, since we haven't had anything for breakfast, how about this? This is a breakfast wrap, egg, potato, cheese, and bacon flavored burrito, and it's by the brand El Monterrey, and it says extra, extra large. Okay, so we are going to try this one out. I just want a little piece of it, so.
I get to eat all of it?
Yeah, you can eat all of it.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be drinking this Aloe Vita Mango. It is naturally flavored with other natural flavors, aloe in pure water. I am going to try it out. Oh my gosh, it's 50 calories per serving. I didn't realize that.
Can I eat it?
Yes, try it.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
That's good.
Let me have some more of the middle because this is I got the tail end. It's nothing but tortilla.
There you go.
Thank you very much. But it tastes delicious, doesn't it?
Good and cheesy. It's real good.
It almost tastes like the ones I make at home.
Almost, not quite. Yours are better, but they're homemade.
Friends, I also have some of my salsa that I make at home. Real simple. I call it my Triple B, Barrandey's Butt Burning Hot Sauce. It is delicious, real simple to make. And if you're interested in learning how to make that or watching me make that, be sure and comment below and let me know. All right, are you ready for something else?
Oh, you bet.
Okay.
That's what I'm here for.
Let's try this this Jimmy Dean stuffed breakfast stick. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to tear a piece off and let you have the rest.
Okay.
It's not bad.
No, it's good.
Not bad, but it's got a lot of bread. That's what I don't.
Yeah, it's got a lot of bread in it.
It's got a lot of bread, very little. What is it? Sausage and
breakfast stuffed breakfast stick.
it's got a lot of cheese. I don't know. I like the other
I like
one
the
better.
other Yeah, that was better.
Let's try this chicken egg roll. I'm not too keen on egg rolls, but I'm going to give this one a try. You want to try it out?
Sure.
And it's by Imperial Garden. And it comes with some sauce. I don't know if I want to try that. Would I be cheating if I don't try this? The sauce, Eric?
I mean, if Dad tries it, or one of y'all has to try it.
You try it, Janito. You love everything. I love this. The chicken egg roll is really good, friends. Now, I don't know how many calories. I didn't even want to read how many calories all this food has, but Folks, when you're in a hurry and you just want to grab something, it's not going to kill you, I don't think.
It's real good with the sauce, real good.
With the sauce? Well, let me have some sauce then. Is it sweet and sour sauce maybe?
Real sweet, kind of got a little honey in it.
Oh my gosh. I highly recommend this. It's the chicken egg roll. Okay, friends, I was surprised to find this extra large. It's a beef and bean burrito. Oh my gosh, it's big, it's huge. I did notice that this one says it's, what did I say? How many calories does it have if you eat the whole thing?
650.
680 calories.
Just right.
So if you're gonna eat this, that's all you're gonna eat all day long. But I thought for $1, a big burrito like this, especially if you're on the go or have hungry kids or...
Yeah, that thing's a gut bomb.
It kind of reminds me of the 7-Eleven or what was it, the Stripes burritos that we used to get.
Gut bombs.
Yeah.
No thanks.
It's, I don't know. I'm just going to take here you go, honey. This is a messy taste test today. I don't want to eat a bunch of the tortilla. You know what? Mine has a lot of tortilla.
It's a little flat.
It's a little flat?
But
Well, even if you dip it in hot sauce, I still, I don't know. I don't think I would buy it and buy another one. Would you?
last resort.
These are called Chinese styled ravioli, chicken and vegetable pot stickers. And I'm not too sure about these, but we're gonna give them a try. Here you go, Honeycomb.
All right.
Just take one. He's ready to take the whole plate. Tell you, he likes everything. What do you think?
They're pretty good. I never had these before.
What do you think?
They're all right.
Y'all need to be honest. I'm trying to be nice. Dollar store ain't your friend.
It's just different. Can't even talk. I'm just not sure because I've never eaten anything like this before.
What are these?
They're called chicken and vegetable pot
Pots,
stickers,
right.
Chinese style ravioli. I don't eat a lot of Chinese food, but I guess, would I buy them again? Probably not. Anyway, let's go on to the next thing. The next thing is this little bitty pizza by Celeste. It says pizza for one. Okay, we're gonna share it though, okay? And I put it in the oven. It says microwaves in 2 minutes, but let's give it a try. Here you go. You can have the first piece. We love pizza, so.
It's not a real pizza, but it's all right.
That's bad if he doesn't like it that much, because he'll eat anything.
Friends, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's got too much dough. It's thick.
Yeah. It's not spicy enough.
It doesn't really have any flavor other than the sauce and the bread. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
The meat is,
It's kind of bland.
yeah. I guess we needed some of those little hot things on him.
Spice it up a little bit.
Yep. Okay. Would we buy that again?
Probably not.
Probably not. Okay. All right, let's try some spicy chicken nuggets. Thank you.
These are real good.
Are they hot? Not really.
Not really, but it can be. They're good.
Now, I like this. This would be a good snack.
I could eat that all day.
And I just stuck these in the oven. It doesn't even have an after kick. It's just a little spicy. I think kids would like this.
I think it's good.
What do you think, Eric? Especially with this dipping sauce?
Not bad. Not spicy.
No. And
Maybe a little bit.
And it's Tyson brand, so you only get 7 little nuggets in this package. I don't really know if that's a good buy or not, is it?
Nope.
I don't think so.
Not for just 7.
Okay.
But
Alrighty, next let's try the chicken fries. Thank you very much. And I think these would be good with the dipping sauce. And this is just ranch dipping sauce from the Dollar Tree.
no, these are good.
Give Eric one, see what he thinks. Whoops. Now this would be a good snack. I like these.
These are good.
These are really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
Especially with the dipping sauce. Double dipped. What do you think?
Pretty good.
And good.
What are you drinking?
This right here,
This is good.
Benzu Sparkling Black Raspberry.
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water.
I recommend these chicken fries. I don't know how many came in this little package, but if it was just for you and me, just to sit outside and have a snack with a beverage, I think that would be
This
just.
water's very good.
Is it?
Very good. Very sparkly and sweet.
This is good too.
These are real good right here.
I know, I like them. Friends, this is really good. This aloe vera mango, I recommend it. This tastes really, really good. All right, folks. So that concludes our taste test. Now, I did make dessert, and I'm going to show you how I make my yogurt pie. I've made it for over 40 years. It's been in our family. All it is yogurt and Cool Whip and graham cracker crust, and I'll show you how I make it. But anyway, we have that for dessert. So,
Game.
can you reach yours? Ah! You mix it all up and then you put it in the freezer. You put it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then whenever you're ready to.
You already ate it. She's like, wait on you.
Oh, it's good. I mean,
I know you've only been eating this for 43 years. Good God. Anyway, folks, you let it freeze, and then after it's frozen, you cut it up in your pie pieces, and just take pieces, as many pieces as you need out, and let it thaw out. And it's a nice, nice snack, dessert.
I think I've had it before.
I think you have too. You can make it with light Cool Whip, and cuts down on half the calories. Okay, friends, thanks for joining us. We appreciate your love and support. Friends, coming up will be Christmas in July videos, and please stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, be the reason somebody smiles today. You have anything you want to say to my viewers?
Let's do it again.
No, you're supposed to say, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like,
And comment,
subscribe.
subscribe, and comment.
You're getting there. Until next time, thanks, friend. Thanks for joining us. You're a sweetheart.